Universe Self Exist and welcome to my channel Guys and Science, and today's topic is what is the weight of the earth. You may have heard somewhere, if the two persons are sitting next to each other and one has 1% more charge than the other, then the force between the two is more than the weight of the earth itself. Here what the word weight of the earth indicates, some may thought of the weight exerted by the earth, and as the mass of the earth is very large, the weight of the earth should also be very large. But it's not the very case, because it depends on the mass of the object itself. That's why he doesn't specify the mass of the two persons. Confusing a bit. Let me explain it properly. Some of you may think that it is the weight, the force exerted by the earth because of the mass of the earth on itself. Some may have thought that as the weight of the earth is directly comparable to the weight of the object on it, then the weight of the object should also have some effect on the weight of the earth. And some may thought that the force exerted by the sun on the earth is the weight of the earth, because it is the only celestial object that applies a comparable force on it. But these three are all wrong. Here is why. As I had mentioned previously, the weight of the earth exerts some force on the weight of the object, on the objects, the terrestrial objects, the objects that are on earth. So the option that the weight of the earth exerts a force on the weight of the object, then that's wrong. And secondly, as the weight of the sun doesn't exert any force on the terrestrial object, then that's also excluded. And the third one, that is the weight of the earth is the force exerted by the earth due to the mass of it, is also wrong, because it only exerts a force on the earth and it doesn't mention the force applied on the terrestrial object. Then what is the weight of the earth? It is the force exerted on a 1 kg object which is placed on the surface of the earth, which could be calculated by the formula F equal to G capital M small m by R square, where G is the gravitational constant, M is the mass of the earth, small m is the mass of the object, and R square is the square of the radius of the earth. And as it is the weight exerted by the earth on a 1 kg object, a small m equal to 1 and value came out to be 9.8. That is the acceleration due to gravity. So it's the same case. The acceleration gravity could be informally defined as the weight of the earth, but as both are different quantities, one is the acceleration and other is the force, they could not be mentioned in the same way, as it could be mentioned as the force exerted by the earth on a 1 kg object kept on its surface is known as weight of the earth. Thank you for enjoying the Kick Bits, that is explained quickly. I am your host Saif. Subscribe and stay tuned.